What's up guys, today I will teach you how you can make a BMI calculator using HTML and JavaScript. Okay, first make a function called BMI. Then make a variable height and a variable weight and make them equal to passFloat parentheses document dot get element by ID. Later we will actually make the element, but we will just call it h now, and say that we need the value of the element, and then of course make the weight variable and call w, make a variable for the BMI, take the weight and divide it by height times height, and that's the formula for BMI. Then we will make a user BMI variable which is equal to document.getElement by ID. Here we will actually set the value of BMI and make sure that we can get it by use getElement by ID BMI index. Then we will take user BMI.text content and make it equal to BMI.toFixed to 2 decimals. And then we will actually make the input boxes so we can get the information. So first input tag type equals text and ID equal age, so it corresponds to the height. Then we will take and do exactly the same, but just change the ID to W. Then it's pretty simple. We make a button that uses which is type equals button, and then on click it will use the BMI function, and we just make the value so it says calculate, the button itself, and by pressing it we will make a place where the BMI should stand. So we will say BMI equals, then make a B tag, and then say ID equals BMI index, the one we set in the user BMI variable, and then we will just change a couple things. I just forgot the divide symbol, and I forgot that toFixed, the F needs to be large. So we can just see if it worked. So let's just put some data in, 1.98 and 100 kg, and it's equal to 25.51. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.